Hello and welcome. So, given a circle, we have essentially two things to find. So, we have the measure of arc from A to C is 84, right? And on the second one, we have that the measure of angle ABC, which is this little angle right here, we're told is 15 degrees. Now, knowing these arcs or angles, how can we find what we need? So, in other words, for this one, it's finding ABC, that little section here. And this one we're looking for AC, right? So how do we go from blue to yellow? Now this is a property of circles. We call them inscribed angles. As that whenever you have an arc or an angle that's inscribed, then you can find it using a double half relationship. Now, how do you know whether it's inscribed or not? Is you look at the angle and you say, okay, where is this angle being formed at? Point B. Point B is on the circle, right? The circumference of the circle, this outer edge, and that's why we call it an inscribed angle. Now, if we had a circle where it had some center, and then from there we had an angle being formed, right? This would not be an inscribed angle, it would be what we call a central angle because it's formed at the center. So inscribed is on the outside of the circle, and we notice that it's on the outside for both of these cases. So they're both inscribed angles. Now, what the relationship is that whatever the angle is, then all we need to do is we say that we double it to get the arc. So if the angle is 15 degrees, double 15, we get 30 degrees, and that is the arc. Or vice versa, if we have the arc, then we know it's, if we double it to go one way, right, times by 2, then that means that to go the other direction, what's the opposite of timesing by 2? Dividing by 2. So we half it if we want to go the other direction. We get 42 degrees. Bam. Right? So that is your inscribed angles, arcs relationship. Okay, so if you have the angle, double it, you get the arc. If you have the arc, half it, you get the angle. Thanks for watching.